This is a mess and this is my desk setup right now. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I will soon be making a desk setup video, kind of first desk setup 1.0, and there will be many changes here in the room. Currently this is the desk which I use, but there's nothing, as you can see, a simple table borrowed from another room. So yeah, let's see. Welcome back to my channel, Wonder Within Earth, aka Pralay Malik. Actually this vlog is about the desk setup 1.0. I am using a currently very basic desk setup for editing and trading and other stuff, which is, you can see, this is the desk setup which I use, which is a very normal table borrowed from another room. There's nothing special about it. This room is, as you can see, this room is a mess itself, and there will be a room makeover video too.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back.
Hello there. So now I need to move this all the way from here to there in order to make this space clear to put my custom table.
I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell.
Mess. I have to clean this out first. So this area is cleared out for the table to be placed, and I have to put all these here, and soon there will be a room renovation video too, so wait for that. Height according to me, and there has been another slab made for the cables to be hidden. Yeah, looks good, and it's also sourced from Croma. It's finally done.
I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
This needs to be shifted now. It's heavy, believe me. So this has been finally placed here. I'll clean out this area, set the table, and then come back.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head,
so I am using this AdMax multi-pin connector from Amazon to connect all these wires here and hide it behind here, a separate slot which I have made. So let's see how it looks. Now, there are multiple ports which need to be connected, and here's a project a laser which I will add as well. Then let's see. So you can see this is how it looks. There are no visible cable, only the RGB antenna there, which needs to be out there for me to change the colors of the RGBs. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new to the channel. So there will be many more videos on this topic and additions of new posters from Marvel and DC, which I have ordered, and there will be some renovations in this room too. So a room tour video will be here too on this channel soon. And make sure to subscribe, like the channel, and support the channel for more videos to be out. Thank you. Peace.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't